In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to contact ActiveCampaign support. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Now, let's dive in. ActiveCampaign is an amazing platform for marketing automation and managing customer relationships, but sometimes you might need a little extra help. Fortunately, they offer several ways to get in touch with their support team, which I'm going to walk you through. First, let's start with the most straightforward option, the ActiveCampaign website. Head over to the ActiveCampaign homepage and make sure you're logged into your account. This is important because your support experience is personalized based on your account details. Once you're logged in, scroll down to the bottom of the page. You'll find a Help or Support link, which is usually located in the footer. Click on that, and you'll be directed to the Support section, where you'll find a wealth of resources, including FAQs, articles, and user guides. This can be a great first step if you have a common question or need guidance on a specific feature. But if you can't find what you're looking for and need direct assistance, don't worry. In that same support section, you should see an option to submit a support ticket. This is one of the best ways to get in touch with the dedicated team at ActiveCampaign. When you click on that, you'll usually be prompted to fill out a form. Here, you'll need to provide details about the issue you're experiencing. Be as specific as possible. Include any relevant information that could help the support staff understand your problem. And here's a tip. If you have screenshots or specific error messages, upload those as well. Visuals can often help clarify the issue better than just text. Once you've filled out the form, submit it, and you should receive a confirmation email letting you know that your ticket has been logged. Now, if you prefer a more immediate approach, ActiveCampaign also offers chat support. Look for the chat icon, which is typically found in the bottom right corner of their website. Clicking on it will open a chat window where you can interact with a support representative in real time. This is particularly helpful for urgent issues, as you can expect a quick response. Before you start chatting, it might be useful to have any relevant account information on hand, like your account ID or the specific campaigns you are working on, so the representative can assist you more efficiently. Another excellent resource is the ActiveCampaign community forums. These forums are filled with other users who may have encountered similar issues. You can search through existing threads or post your own question. Engaging with the community can often yield helpful tips and solutions. And lastly, don't forget about social media. You can reach out to ActiveCampaign on platforms like Twitter or Facebook. They often respond to inquiries through these channels quickly, so it's another avenue you can utilize if you're in a bind. So to sum it all up, whether you're using the support ticket system, the chat option, community forums, or social media, ActiveCampaign has you covered when it comes to customer support. No need to feel stuck. There's plenty of help available at your fingertips.